I didn't want to make this video, but I think I have to now. Well, plastic parts for any electric scooter. Let me show you. It's a 3D printed bracket. It is like 8 months. Another crack, another here. You could see that residue, yeah? I use a super glue. You could say I overtook it. he overtook it, and now he's no, I didn't. I think the difference in the temperature could expand those bolts a little bit, and then you could see some cracks. I think that's the issue here. If they're very tight and expansion. Look at this side. Wow. Completely wrecked. It's holding only by the super glue. I wanted to keep that bracket for at least this season. Well, you could say contact the company. I did 2 weeks ago. No response. I sent another email. Nothing. They simply don't care. There's no customer service. That's crazy. I want to buy a carbon deck, which is quite expensive and looks really, really fancy. I will love it in Miami, but without the customer service and no warranty, come on. How do they operate this? So that's the lesson for me, and maybe a warning for you. Plastic parts for electric scooter, 3D printed parts, it's a big no-no, my dear friend. Huge no-no. I think they have a new version now made with aluminum, but it's also quite expensive. But what is that? That's just a dirt. Just that. But I'm strongly thinking about the NMAX steering damper, which is looking way better on the front square. Quite expensive, but maybe they will give me some discount. Maybe. I'll have to email them. What is that? I don't know. Anyway, IC grips won't last you for a long time. Well, color won't last you. This is sun damage, my friend. They're getting white. It's supposed to be black. How much kilometers do I have? 6,371. Any major issues? A couple of them. Nothing which I already said on the previous videos. And brake parts are getting so quickly in this scooter. That's not the issue, that's just my riding style. Super quick. There you go. That's a warning for you. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye!